Okay, so for those of you wondering what this big old thing on my desk is, this is my Cricut Easy Press. I've decorated it. As you can see, you know me, I like to decorate everything. So what I'm going to do, I've got a t-shirt here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to decorate it with my brand. So here we go. So what you do with the Cricut Easy Press, it does actually come with a mat that you can use. You want to pre-press. So that's how you get all the extra moisture out. It does come with a mat. I can slide it forward. It does come with a mat, which is optional. You can use an ironing board if you want to, if you don't want to buy the mat, but I bought the mat with it. So you want to pre-press your t-shirt or your garment or whatever the case may be. I'm only just using this to show you because I want to make a top while we're in this corona situation. So I've got like a little lion head or a lioness head that I've already pre-cut with my Cricut. And I'm going to have her on there. And I'm also going to have my brand, which is Vaealee, as you already know. I was planning to put couture on there, and I might put couture on there, but I don't know if it'll go around my boobs. Too much information. Because I don't want it to stretch too much, so I'm just going to stick to that. And then you want to make sure your garment is clean. I haven't actually cleaned it. I just said to my daughter, find me a top. I just want to decorate something to show people what the Cricut Easy Press can do. And then you want to pop your thing on there. You set your heat to whatever temperature you want it to, and you press your Cricut sign, and then the countdown will begin. Let's see if I can get that in. Have I got it in? So the countdown will begin. You can set your time for how much you want it. You can set your heat. You need to check what vinyls you're using. Your vinyls should have the information on there as to what heat temperature you need. It will beep when it's done. And there you have it. I'm just going to wait until it... Don't touch it straight away like what I did. I need to get used to not touching hot things because I don't think it's going to be good for me when I'm older. I'm so used to touching hot things. I'm going to press it down a bit more, but it's all done anyway. The glitter vinyl is high quality glitter vinyl. It does have some form of stretch to it, as you can see. I should have probably put the couture underneath there as well, but I don't know if it's going to work with my shape. If you're just doing it on a plain t-shirt that doesn't stretch, it probably will work, but we don't want to overstretch the vinyl. And then you peel off the backing. And if you saw one of my videos, I actually made a hair bow out of this. Leo, go and get me the hair bow made out of the vinyl so I can show everybody. So this is basically the peel off, which is basically waste, but I made a bow out of it. Leo, quickly get it. It's in the bow drawer, in the bow drawer. My children are so lucky, they've got a bow drawer. In fact, they've got 2 bow drawers full of bows that I've made or bought for them over the years. My children have been wearing bows for years. And that's another thing I used to do with my children. Anytime their school uniform used to have like a hole in it or anything like that, I would stick a bow on it, send them to school with a lovely sequin bow on it. So this is the bow that I made with the peely off stuff. And then I just put some rhinestones around it, popped a clip, and this is my bow. So here we have it. This is the Cricut Easy Press. You can buy it in online, in Hobbycraft, from Cricut directly. I decorated mine. I don't know if that's going to last. That's also my vinyl. Because you can get different types of vinyl. I'm not sure if you know, but there's vinyl that can go on t-shirts and ones that can go on plastics, metals and things like that. You don't want to get the two confused, because this vinyl would not stick on here and this one wouldn't stick on here. These vinyls, you can actually put them in the washing machine. And here you have it. This is my Vaealee branded t-shirt, and you'll probably see me wearing it in the next video. So here is the finished top. The lovely lioness Vaealee ladies top. It looks really cool, and you can see how sparkly it is. I can't wait for summer to wear this. Anyway, I hope you liked my video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.